Well, while I'm waiting for my lunch to cook, I'm grilling big old salmon, vegetables, but when I just opened the freezer door to my refrigerator a while ago, think I got a problem with my refrigerator now. I mean, of course, this refrigerator is 21 years old. Old roper that I did a YouTube video on years ago, including it in my vintage appliances. Look what's happened. Look at all that frost buildup. Huh. Gosh, that ain't good. I mean, this refrigerator should be defrosting itself. I mean, I may have to get a serviceman out here to look at it, or just maybe time for a new refrigerator. After all, it is 21 years old. Anyway, just a quick rant. Have a good day.